Hey guys, Brian here, and the inspector. He's over there wandering around, but maybe he'll pass through. Check this out. He's already been over here, but I didn't have the camera on. We've got parts here for one of the pulling engines I've been working on this winter, and so I'd go over some items with you since you got to see the pistons fly cut a while back. These should be them back from coating. I'll have some of y'all do unboxings fast. Take a closer look at that. Good. A nice coating on the skirts, and same thing on the top. See the valve reliefs. I came in and blended all this out so there's no sharp points to melt off, and just kind of radiused all that. Made it look nice, and that coating will be on there. Help keep these from melting down when they're at 2,000 degrees EGTs. Aluminum's usually not happy like that. So these are ready for assembly. Also coated rod bearings, mains too, to help them with high wear. The forces in these engines are really high, and they tend to eat the facings off, especially the top sides of the rods. So get those ready. And here I got one of my nice billet steel camshafts, which goes on those tappets that I make. Well, right here is the makings of a pretty good little engine. So I got the camshaft done, lifters are done. I need to get them over here. Deck plates done, pistons done, rods are done. The studs to go with this deck plate are all done. So everything to put this short block together with is complete. Don't know what they're going to do about a head. That's going to be their deal, whatever they want on that. So, but this will be for this. And I've worked on or made all these parts myself. So I guess I should probably clarify, I didn't actually make these particular parts themselves. I just had them made to my specifications. So I didn't actually do the machine work or material sourcing on the rod or the stud hardware, but all the rest of the stuff that was there was stuff that I made in my shop myself, and I think there's videos on. So there we go. Now I got the lifters there too in the shot. So Inspector, come here, Bailey. Come here. Bailey's come to give it the wag of approval. He's feeling better, so good with that. Not sure what was wrong with him. They don't really know. But he's doing better, and that's the main thing. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll catch y'all later.